my Blackwell, reporting on the airport street. I am going to talk to some people about their plans. Excuse me, it is a long time until 6 in the morning. Are you going to change your plane?
Yes, we are. We aren't going to stay here. We only have 5 days for our holiday, and we don't want to wait for the end of the strike. We don't want to wait for the end of the strike. We don't have enough time to go to Spain now.
So, what are you going to do?
We talked to our travel agent and he's going to send a car to take us to the station. Then we're going to take a train to the South Coast and look for somewhere nice to stay.
Is the travel agent going to pay?
No, he isn't. Fortunately.
I hope it is not very expensive. So then are you going to relax and imagine?
Yes, I am. I am going to sit on the beach and read a book.
Well, I'm not going to relax. I'm going to walk every day. I have relaxing.
Reporting Joaquín López Dóriga.